The Commissioner, Model 4200, is Wolo's new 12-volt, 200-watt, full-feature electronic siren and PA system designed for emergency service responders who demand an ultra-powerful and reliable electronic siren system. Select from 3 different siren sounds, Yelp, high-low, and Wail, by using the rotary control. The Commissioner has a manual override switch that allows the user to sound short blasts of 2 siren sounds, air horn, or a fast Yelp siren. Model 4200 also includes a PA system with a noise-canceling microphone that will produce high-quality voice amplification without feedback or squeal. The microphone's push-to-talk button has been designed to override any siren sounds in use for PA on demand. Model 4200 easily wires to the vehicle's communication radio for clear and powerful rebroadcast using the siren speaker. All siren sounds, PA system, and radio rebroadcast have an adjustable volume by using the rotary on-off gain control. The siren's LED illuminated control panel has 2 rocker switches. Each switch can power warning lights or accessories up to 15 amps. The siren's case is all metal, painted black enamel. To ensure a professional installation, the kit includes a 6-foot wire harness with inline fuses, microphone, adjustable metal swing bracket, and mounting hardware. Recommended speaker 4004, speaker is sold separately. If you have any questions about the installation or use of the Commissioner, there is a toll-free phone number provided in the package for tech support. Wolo's technicians will be happy to answer your questions Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Commissioner is a trademark of Wolo Manufacturing Corporation.